This is how you take back control over your life in the next 3 to 6 months. And no, I'm not going to tell you some popular self-improvement advice like do dopamine detox or monk mode or nofap. Those things work, but what I'm going to share in this video today goes way deeper than those mainstream techniques. Hi, my name is Hamzah Salim and I help aspiring entrepreneurs create the life they want through self-mastery. Now, just a quick caveat. This video might trigger you because these are the exact steps that I've taken to take back control over my life. It first starts with acceptance. I had to accept that I was stuck in life. I had to accept that I was lacking the beliefs, the traits, and the skills necessary to move forward with my life. This is the part that most people try to ignore. The lasting results come from being honest with yourself in the moment and accepting how reality is. And the key in this stage of acceptance is that you are not judging yourself. That's very important. You are not here to condemn yourself. You are just accepting for life how it is, based on your past, based on your conditioning, and the things that you used to do that made you the person you are today. I know this is very uncomfortable, but if you can truly humble yourself, your life trajectory will go on a positive route. And this is when we are talking about working on your inner self. This is what most people are not willing to do because, quite honest, it is extremely uncomfortable. Now, in the second stage, you see the world for how you want it to be. In other words, create a 5-year vision for your life. Where do you want to live? Who you want to become? What do you want to achieve? Ask yourself this. One of the things that separates us humans from the animals is the ability to use foresight. Animals are programmed, they live by instinct. That's why you want to imagine your future 5 years ahead of time. First, it is conceptual, you're imagining. And then when you take physical action, it comes to fruition. Now, the time it comes to fruition differs because there is cause and effect. And what you can control is your ability to use foresight and then take action on it. And creating a vision should really excite you. Because you're thinking ahead, okay, this is what I want, then I make my plan, and then if I take those steps over time and with effort, I will eventually achieve that in one way or in another. And this should be very empowering, at least this has been on my journey, the experience. The third step is creating a new narrative. Psychologists say the story we are telling ourselves determines our behaviors and the results we get in our lives. Creating a new empowering story is one of the most powerful ways that you can take back control over your life. Because the truth is this, you have been telling yourself, consciously or unconsciously, a story why you are not getting ahead in life. For example, let's say you want to start a business, but then your story might come up, oh, I can't start a business because of this and that. And all those excuses and stories, they accumulate over the years and they define this very strong core story that is disempowering. That's why most people don't get ahead in life. They don't create the life they want. It's a story that keeps them stuck. So let's take a simple example of me. My story is I quit a cushy 6-figure corporate job in order to focus on the mission of helping aspiring entrepreneurs create the life they want and live life on their own terms through self-mastery. This is a very simplified version, of course, there's more to that, but think about your story. Which story can empower you to take action? The fourth step on taking back control over your life is by creating a new character. We know the story, and now who is the main character in your life? That's you. But the main character can't be the same, right? Because you have a vision now, you have a story that empowers you, and you need to create someone new in order to achieve the results. Because remember, the first stage is acceptance. So you have to humble yourself, and after that, you will understand that you have to change. So in this stage, you think about your character traits, your top 5 values, your beliefs and habits. So for example, my top 5 values right now are faith in God, health. By health, I mean my physical, mental, spiritual and financial health. The third one is excellence. The fourth is service. And the fifth one is joy, having fun and creating a life of my dreams. And some of the character traits that I want to incorporate in order to achieve my vision is persistence, authenticity, and being classy. So craft a new character that will make it easy to live the life that you want to live. The fifth step on taking back control over your life is you set out on the path to creating the life that you want. You are a victor, not a victim anymore. Because once you are clear on your vision, you know who you need to become, and you have an empowering story, all you have to do is taking consistent action every day. Doing the things that you know you need to do. Executing on your plan that you have created. Relentlessly focusing on your vision and your top 5 values. This is how you get ahead of 99% of people. Because most people are in a stage of victimhood. They want to achieve the things, but they are not willing to do the necessary actions. So when you apply the stuff that I'm sharing in this video, life will be much easier, and in 3 to 6 months in time, your life will completely change, guaranteed. Now, on your journey on creating the life that you want, you will slip up. That's normal, because the biggest enemy on this journey is your own mind. You will face resistance, you will face self-doubt, negative self-talk, and for that reason you want to watch the next video on how to control your mind. As always, thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, let me know with a like. Comment in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway is, and thank you for being a part of this community.